Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where the change happens. Once done, use the Settings search field to find Search Engine quickly so you avoid hunting through menus. Make sure you're signed into the profile you want to change because Chrome Sync will apply the default across devices. If Chrome prompts for an update, install it first. Search engine options can vary with versions, so keep the browser current before continuing. Now choose a new default or add a custom engine. Click Manage Search Engines. You'll see built-ins and any custom entries. To add one, type a clear name, a short keyword for quick address bar access, and paste the search URL using %s where the query belongs. This is why the URL template matters. After adding, click the three-dot control next to your preferred engine and select Make Default. Once set, perform a quick address bar search to confirm the engine responds the way you expect. Finish by testing multiple searches in the Omnibox and search box so you confirm the new engine handles queries and site suggestions properly. If your profile uses sync, check Account Sync includes search engine preferences to propagate the change. If results are wrong or the engine doesn't respond, clear cache and cookies or sign out then back in. If the issue persists, edit the custom engine's URL template. Incorrect %s placement breaks queries. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.